Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. General Quadro Alas Casimero, may bansag din na angas ng Pinas, 3 Division World Champion at kasalukuyang WBO World Bantamweight Champion. Napakaraming bansa na rin ang dinayo at nagpamalas doon ng tibay, lakas at angas. Kaya di rin talaga basta-basta ang experience nito sa ibabaw ng lona. Bago ang laban niya ngayong linggo kontra kay Guillermo Rigundo. Balikan muna natin ang tatlong undefeated na tinalo niya via KO. Ginuhitan ang malinis nilang listahan. Casimero versus Ron Ruing. Sa una nilang laban na ginanap sa lungga mismo ng kalaban sa bansang Thailand, nadaya si Casimero, natalo at nakuha ang IBF niyang titulo. Pero sa pangalawa nilang tagpo na nangyari noong May 25, 2016, ginanap ang laban sa bansang China. At dito na tinapos ni Quadro Alas ang pagiging undefeated nitong Thai fighter. Tinapos ang laban via KO at nakuha niya ulit ang pinahiram niyang titulo.
As he does right there.
Yeah, he likes to work the jab from down. Look,
Those fights with working off the jab and keeping the opponent.
Casimero, he's landing the right hand. Oh, here comes the wrestling. And he's down on the floor again. This is what we're talking about here, man. Here, Tony Winks in the referee. Oh, good cap. There's the tap on the apron right there. Good body shots here. Fighting for the championship, and you just heard why.
Something that he hasn't.
Yeah. I mean, some of these fights, to be honest, champions at Casimero, who did he win this title from?
Well, won it against the man I just mentioned, the title that he previously held. They went away, and he fought Ron. And of course, he lost that first fight.
Well,
but he's doing real good here.
Yeah, absolutely. But I tell you what, and for some reason, he wants to stand toe to toe. Also, if he wants to do that, and wrong way, Casimero trying to time him. Look at it, there. He's trying to time him with that.
Ooh.
And he throws him down to the ring, underneath the bottom of the ring. And that Roman Reigns trying to defend.
Ducking under. Good overhand right from I'm not on his body.
You know what that's called? That's called a rock bottom. That's called right there. That's a rock bottom, but when he fights loose. Oh!
Big left hook from Casimero.
And he caught him. And he looks hurt. Oh, he looks really hurt. And he
looks hurt.
Read the action now. Read it up. And he's going in for the kill.
Oh, man.
I told him
going in hard right now. I'm not throwing hard back.
He caught another right.
Oh, big right hand.
And the fight has changed. And he's
Anna's very hurt, but he's throwing back. He's throwing back with bad intentions.
Yeah,
he's trying to survive.
I tell you what, man. And he's after him. And the Filipinos trying to hold on. And he won't be denied. And a good body shot. He's down again.
To the body.
Now the fight is waved off by Tony Weeks. And we have a new I've been along with Uchiyama getting beat by what's his name? Joe Corrales.
Casimero versus Edwards. Nangyari ang laban noong September 10, 2016 na ginanap sa Britanya. Dumayo na naman ang ating kababayan para idepensa ang IBF title niya. Batang prospect itong si Charlie Edwards. Hype na hype, 8 wins, 0 loss, pangkartada, pero sobrang maangas na. Trash talker kahit nasa batang record pa ito bilang professional boxer. Sa gabi ng laban, pinamalas agad ni Casimero ang natatanging lakas. Mismong sa harap ng kababayan ni Edwards, minansahan ni Casimero ang undefeated record nito, tinapos via TKO.
Tabii tarihi açıklandı. Rakibi Jesse Vargas Sattam Ali ile karşılaştı ve Sattam Ali'yi knockout'la mağlup etmişti Jesse Vargas. Şimdi sağ mükemmel. Verdikleri tartım bu. Bak bu kadar uzak mesafeden bu İngiliz devam etti İngiliz boksörden. Roman Gonzalez. Aparkat başladı gibi. 4. roundda. Şimdi bir aparkat. Arkasından yumruklar. Aparkat. Sağ kroşe Casimero'nun. Ve bu arada sol direkt sağ. Sağ. Buruk için taraf tuttuğumu yazmış da kimin tarafını tutabilirim? Sağ kroş. Aparkat geliyor. Bir tane daha geldi. 7. roundda Casimero fena bir Anthony Kroll'la karşılaşmasında yeni bir round yine. Sağ kroşe süper. Müthiş bir sol kroşeyle tamamlıyor. Aparkat tutmadı. Bir gardını kapatıyor. Bakın sağ değerli izleyiciler. Casimero. Wow, mükemmel örnek. Şanslı yumruk anlamında. Şimdi ve bir sol koşe. İnanılmaz bir sol koşe. Ve İngiliz boksör ayağa kalkamıyor. Fena yıktı. Bana doğru yürü diyor hakem. Bitirecek neredeyse. Casimero. Acımasız bir adam. İşte bakın knockout. Dünya şampiyonluk unvanını korumaya devam ediyor.
Casimero versus Micah. Dahil sa naudlot na labang Casimero versus Naoya Inoue noong 2020, ay pinalit sa pwesto itong undefeated ng bansang Ghana. May kartadang 24 wins, 0 loss, 19 dito via knockout. Sa sobrang galit dahil sa di natuloy ang inasam-asam niyang laban sana sa The Turtle ng Japan, ay gigil itong hinarap si Doc Micah na pagbalingan ng galit, kaya ang kawawang Micah bugbog sarado. Tila di pinagpawisan si Casimero, tapos agad ang laban via TKO.
He has significant wins. Jab Abner as he tries to find. On display, Micah and Casimero attacking the body, something, and now Micah expending a lot of energy, really winding up with those power shots, capable of doing it. What a pain. One of the Charlo brothers coming up in our first main event.
Coming over here to fight.
Great defense shown by Micah, doing work right now, Casimero. But I think Casimero, what he's doing wrong, he does that back, just as he did right there.
It is.
And Micah connects with the right, then Casimero.
Oh my.
Uy, bagsak! Takin na mo!
Micah, the second round. Oh. And those left uppercuts continue to jolt.
Hold him tight.
His feet are on inline skates and yet bites down on his gum shield, trying to stave off the swarming attack of Casimero. Gage. It is all 118-pound belt. Micah with a... Taking a look at Duke, Micah referee Steve Willis telling...
Got a moment ago by
Yeah,
Micah.
oh, and a great right cross left hand. Again, you want to give Duke Micah. Oh!
Uy, bagsak! Takin na mo!
Steve Willis has seen enough.
Sa laban niya kay Rigundo, bagamat may isang talo na itong pambato ng Cuba, ay di pa ito nakatikim ng talo via KO. Si Casimero na ba ang pinakaunang magbibigay nito sa kanya? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping permi.